Small wins. It's the small wins that keeps us moving forward. If you keep moving forward with small wins, progress will follow. Just want to show you guys that this video is going crazy. Wait, under 24 hours. Listen, we got 3 days to turn this around. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. And today is Wednesday. It is around 9:10 right now. You guys seen in the last video that we did get funded and we did end up winning $31 on a day, breaking even on yesterday's trade. So hopefully today we could do it. We could do something better. But listen, I don't want to keep you guys here too long, so let's just get right into the trading. All right, so I don't know why my trading view is not working. I missed an entry because of my trading view not working, but we're gonna be on TraderVate. Turn this TV off. We're gonna be on TraderVate. I'm waiting for a retrace to this line right here area so I can get in for longs. I like longs. We didn't run this previous day high yet. I can't even tell, but yeah, we didn't run this previous day high yet, so I like longs. I'm gonna try to get the TraderVate connected, but if not, then I can't get it connected, but we'll see what happens. To a US 30 buy, and we ended up down 280 to 260 right now. I'm not too worried about it. I'm pretty sure we can hold this here and we can move up more, but stop loss is at 500, so once we go to 500 we're out. But I entered off this imbalance. We saw a good push reaction. I liked it, and yeah, now we're just waiting for it. Hopefully it's reverses and we hit TP2. Yesterday we ended up not winning. We ended up stopping our break even, but today hopefully we don't lose and we catch a dub. Looking like we're gonna get stopped out. Oh, what the hell? No, it's looking like we're gonna get stopped out. We got $40 left on this move, and boom, we are stopped out. Okay, it's all right. Stopped out on the day. That's the only trade I'm taking for the day. We are down, let me see, only 500 on the funded account. Let me show you guys, only 500 on the funded account. We ended up losing today. Yesterday would have been the winning trade if we didn't get stopped out, but we live and we learn, and let's move on. So yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna take no, this would have been the ideal entry that I wanted, and obviously I'm not gonna take a trade because we are limited on taking trades today. Well, for the challenge, I mean for the funded account, but I would have taken this trade right here, a sell off this hour imbalance, and you know I ended up not taking it because you know I am limited trades. I don't want to risk it, but I would have, you know, would have won today, would have been back up in break even point. But we're gonna do this tomorrow. I do have, I think, what, 7 more trading days until I lose the account, 1 trade per day. Hopefully we don't lose all 7 days, obviously. But yeah, I'm gonna get off this and we good. You saw me take an L. You know, it sucks. You know, it really fucks with your mental. Yesterday I realized that I was up $700 and then we came down to break even, and on Apex there is a trailing drawdown, so that means basically it's a moving stop. Like I explained that last video, it's a moving stop. So let's say I was profited $700 and I go down to break even, my drawdown is $700 shorter than what it was. So my drawdown is 500, so it went down to 4,200. So sooner or later I have to start winning these trades and not getting into profit and coming out of break even. I might end up starting to take trades like, what's it called, I might end up cutting them short so the trading drawdown doesn't get in my way. But all I need to do is win 3 to 4 or 5 days in a row and my drawdown is back up, like reset, so I should be good. Later in this video I'm going to be talking about mental strength when it comes to trading, because right now my mental is fucked. Right now my mental is fucked. You know, just got funded, took a break-even trade, got the trailing stop loss, just took a L, so it's just, you know, my mental is fucked, but you got to stay strong. So later we'll talk about more on that later. As you guys can see, we are back on the field once again. Like I said, I'm taking my fitness journey to another level. You know, my fat ass needs to get up and run and play a little more soccer, because I remember I used to be way skinnier, you know, way fitter. And yeah, now we're gonna get back on this field. I'm gonna start kicking the ball a little more. I just got here, I'm gonna put on my cleats, start warming up, right, running and shit, play a little bit with the ball, and we're gonna do sprints. And yeah, I mean, just because I lost today doesn't mean that I need to not do anything for the rest of the day. You know what I'm saying? We still gotta stay productive, still gotta go to the gym, still gotta do a whole bunch of stuff. Let me just get started with this and I'll pick up the camera in a little bit. All right, so I want to talk about a little bit of mental strength when it comes to trading. Give me a sec, let me plug this shit into the charger. All right, yeah, so I want to talk about a little bit about mental strength when it comes to trading, and the mental patience that you have to have with yourself, and the mental strength that you have to have with yourself when it comes to trading and having basically getting funded. Today, you guys saw I took an L today, you know, nothing too crazy. But you know, it does take a hit on your confidence. Cause you took an L, you know, you took an L, you wanna be great, you don't wanna lose this funded account, you just don't wanna lose in general. And that's completely understandable. Nobody wants to lose in trading, nobody wants to walk away with the L on their computer, but sometimes it's the best thing and the right thing to do. What I do to keep my mental in check and keep my spirits high when I do lose is thinking about the things that are better, you know. So I lost today, but I woke up today, right? I lost today, but I got to eat today. I woke up, I lost today, but I got to get on the charts and trade today. You know, it's the little things that you get to do that certain people can't do, and you just got to be grateful, and that raises your spirits with your mentality on just take the loss and move on. We fail in life and we fail in trading to learn how to get back up on our own. The small wins, it's the small wins that keeps us moving forward. If you keep moving forward with small wins, progress will follow. There's no doubt in my mind that progress won't follow if you keep pushing 1% every single day, 1% every single day. So I'm telling you guys, push 1% every day. Keep your mental and confidence high. Anyway, that's pretty much what I do, and I hope you guys can use those things to help. I hope you guys can use those things to help you get more confident and keep your spirits high after a loss. And yeah, I am currently, oh wait, screen went black. I am currently editing this video now, so once I'm done editing, maybe I'll head to the gym. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet after this. All right, so it is Tuesday. I haven't picked up the camera since yesterday. Don't mind this. This is a cut I was shaving, but I ended up cutting myself because it's a straight razor, so you know it's annoying. I'm still learning how to use it because I don't really have a lot of facial hair, but when I do get it, I like to cut it off because I don't like facial hair. Today is Tuesday. We ended up taking an L yesterday, so hopefully we don't take an L today. There's no news today, so we're not gonna rush it. Let's just get right into the trading session. I am gonna start doing 2 trading days in 1 video because my last video did so good. But listen, let's move on from yesterday. Let's try to take a dub today. And yeah, let's see what happens. All right, so it is 9:30 again. Once again, it is Wednesday, no, Thursday's trading session. Yeah, Thursday's trading session. So let's see. I like longs. I like longs today. You know, we've been coming up, we've been ranging. I want to get back to this imbalance, get into this for 1 hour for value gap and this imbalance as well, and push up higher. We got no news today. Let me show you guys. We got no news today. We got FOMC member speaking at 2:30, but I do like longs today. You know what I'm saying? Let's not rush it. Let's wait till market open. Well, I just got in and I got filled in terrible and I'm already about to lose. Yo, this shit sucks, man. Like, I'm trying so hard not to be emotional, but bro, this honestly sucks, bro. Like, if I get stopped out, like, I'm gonna be mad as fuck. But bro, damn, bro, yeah, we're gonna get stopped out, man. Yo, oh my god. Damn, we just literally placed an listen guys, I'm never this emotional, but we literally just got into this trade and we already got stopped out. I wanted to get filled in here, but I got filled in here. It is, you guys can see, listen, I'm gonna take tomorrow off. I'm not gonna even touch the charts tomorrow. Listen, I'm trying to be so like not emotional, but listen, it is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. It is what it is. It's just another trading day. But update on the funded. Listen, we have 3 trading days left until we blow this funded account. That's crazy for me to say, but it is because I'm not even gonna blame it on the trailing drawdown. I'm blaming it on myself, but it is because the trailing drawdown, when you get into profit, basically your stop loss moves with you. So I think if I do end up losing this account, I am gonna change firms and try to pass a different account. I'm gonna try to pass the account on a different firm, because definitely need to get off this firm if I keep losing to a trailing drawdown. But listen, we got 3 days to turn this around. I'm not trading tomorrow. I'm gonna take a break. The market's been really just, you know, crazy when I trade, and then after I'm done trading, I get fucked. Wants to go in one direction, I wants to pick a direction. So I'm gonna take it off tomorrow, and I'm gonna come back on Monday. I'm gonna keep editing this video because I am doing it now. I did get off the charts. I just don't want to I don't even want to look at the charts, honestly. Listen, this is the reality of trading. This is the reality of trading. This is the reality of trading. You win some, you lose some. I had a bad week this week. As soon as I get the funded, I have a bad week. You know, not a coincidence. It happens to the best of us. It happens to everybody. So let's just keep going. Like I said, I'm gonna continue editing this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I thank you guys for the support. The support on my last video is going crazy. 3,000 views in under 24 hours. 3,000 views. That's my most viewed video in under 24 hours, which is crazy. And for all of you telling me congratulations on the funded, I appreciate you guys so much. But look, this is the reality of trading. This is why I said this is why the journey begins today. And if we lose the account, we lose the account. We win the account, we win the account. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. I'm not gonna give up. All right, guys, so this is where the video is gonna come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am gonna go head to the gym now. Listen, we ended up taking a whole bunch of L's this week, but next week I'm not gonna be trading tomorrow. I am gonna take that day off, and plus I gotta go back to Slave Mart tomorrow. So on Monday I will pick up this camera and we will get back onto trading. Hopefully we take a dub and turn this account around. And yeah, I'm sorry to disappoint you guys that I'm losing like crazy, but next week is gonna be our week, and we're gonna come back stronger. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.